Hey guys, it's Paul. I'm going to quickly answer this question in the forum from Sankosan. Hopefully I pronounced it right. How to set up an automatic assignment and alert for a task to assign in Zoho. I am trying to explore the possibility of automatically assigning a task to my colleague and automatic notification to alert my colleague that there is a pending activity needs attention, avoiding it being done manually. So I have asked out what's the trigger, but I'm just going to do the video for you, and then we can talk in depth more if it's a specific trigger that you need. Okay, so when you come into your Zoho CRM, you want to go to workflows. I'm already on it, so I'll go back to your own page, go up to setup here, and then go find workflows, automation, workflows, right? You're going to create a new one. Now, I will guess that this is either a new contact or a new lead. I'm going to guess it's a new lead. So say you get a lead created on your CRM via whatever format, a website sign up, a new contact, a new email, whatever it might be. We'll talk about leads, right? So we're gonna select the module leads. We're gonna call it new lead sign up task. Assign task to new lead, right? So then you're going to say, when do you want this to activate? So on a record action, when a record's created, right? So as soon as a new lead is created, we're going to trigger this workflow. For which record, you can filter it. So you could say, you could have tags within the leads, depending, if you had an email sign up form on your website, you might want to tag that as email sign up and then send that to a certain person. But for this, we're going to put, you just click tag, right? You'd find tag and then put, is if you had one set up, website contact log, whatever you've got. So you wanted to filter it, you could, but I'm just going to leave it as all records for now. I'm going to click next, instant action and schedule action. Now, if you wanted to go later, you would do a schedule, but you said you wanted it straight away. So we're going to create a task. We're going to do a new task and put new lead task assigned. Right? Due date for the new task. We're going to get this person from the created date. How many days do they have to do this? We're going to give them 7 days. That might be too much. You might want to put 3. You might want to put 2. You're going to put not started because it's obviously a not started task. They haven't started doing anything. And the priority, you need to decide how high or low that priority is. So I'm going to put normal. You're going to assign this person. If you don't assign a task, it'll go to a user automatically. But you're going to assign whichever salesman, whoever this task is going to be. I'll have to have a look. If you've got more than one salesman and you want to round robin the task, so obviously the first lead goes to the first salesman, the second lead goes to the second, and it goes in a fair order. I don't actually know how to do that, but I'll look into it. Maybe you can't, but a lot of other CRMs and other places, there's a place where, it goes, it doesn't just send to one salesman. It gives it to one person, then the next, in a fair order. Now you're going to put here notify assignee. So when this person is assigned this task, it's going to email them and then remind assignee. So before due date, I'm going to say 1 day before due date at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, right? 2 p.m. Tell me that this task isn't done yet. So, you can or not do this. So I'm going to get a notification when the task is created, and I'm going to get a reminder a day before it's due, right? So save and associate. Save the task. And now it's switched on. So if I now go to leads and I create a new lead, let's call it Happy Me Business Test. Last name Nicholson. Whatever it is, right? Whatever you need to add under this new lead, obviously you've got processes in place, so that's all you actually have to put. And I save it, so that is now a new lead created. So if the task has worked, I'm going to get an email saying, here, Zoho CRM, I have a new task, new lead task assigned, new lead task. So I'm getting an email saying you've been assigned a task. When I click on it, I go to the new task, new lead task. There's the lead. And then you obviously follow up on that task, whatever that task is, right? So that was basically, as I said, you're going to go up to settings, go to workflow rules, create a new workflow. Make it fire whenever you want it to fire. You can do, you can make it create 2 days after it's been created. Filter the records. If you want certain records to go certain people, you can do a filter and then fire the task and the notification. And then you've got other things you can do with the workflow going deeper. But that was just to answer that question. How do I assign a task to a certain person from a trigger? So I hope that helped. As always, come to Zoho CRM training in my on my website. It's one of the main first ones, isn't it? Zoho CRM full training, and each lesson is linked to the discussion, so you can go deeper within the discussion. Join my forum. If you're really struggling, I'm online. Look, if I'm online at the minute, just send me a message. Like, I don't even ask for your email. Dive in. I'm here to help. Hopefully, I want you to get up and running. I want you to get flying on Zoho CRM. So hopefully this answered your question. See you all again soon. Cheers, guys.